What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie McQueen. In this video, I'm going to be steam cleaning different things around my home, especially particularly dirty things. I have seen this steam cleaner all over TikTok, YouTube videos, and I just want to see if it's worth the hype. Plus, steam cleaning looks like tons of fun, and it's awesome because it's chemical-free cleaning, and it's very powerful and works very well. If you guys have a steam cleaner, leave me some comments below. Let me know which one you have and if you like it and what do you clean with it. If you enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave me some comments below. Subscribe if you're new, and let's get into this. First thing first, we're going to start cleaning this by my back door. It gets so dirty because it snows a lot here. And yeah, I obviously haven't cleaned it in a long time. I like this steam cleaner. Comes with a bunch of different attachments, about 5 or 6 of them. Like this little brush, it helps make the cleaning a lot easier. I would say the steam cleaner definitely helped wiping up this dirt really easy, so I would definitely recommend it for something like this. Moving on to steam cleaning my windows, I'll have to admit that this was a lot of fun. For some reason, steam cleaning your windows is really satisfying. I think it did a really good job on my windows. They look so clear. Next thing that I'm going to be cleaning is my microwave. I know it is so filthy and disgusting, and food just exploded in here when my daughter tried to cook something. I forgot what it was. And so let's see if this steam cleaner will clean this hot mess. I wanted to see if the steam made it easy to wipe things off, and it definitely did. Everything just wiped off so effortlessly. So now that I did that, I'm going to blast off the top food. That is really disgusting, not gonna lie, but it definitely worked. Since I have white cabinets in my kitchen, this steamer also comes in clutch for that. It's taking all the dirt and grime off my cabinets as well, and so easily. After steam cleaning the right side, I could immediately tell the difference. It looks so much better than the left. This is also a good tool to get all of the grime that can be stuck around your sink. Another thing I've been neglecting are my vents. They look pretty dirty and dusty. I wanted to try my other vent with a different attachment on it to see how it would do. Overall, I think the steam cleaner works really well and it gets off a bunch of different things on different surfaces. So I would recommend this for sure. That is all that I have for you guys in this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.